What can you see looking through the window? Maybe a park or a playground. And maybe tall dwellings or lots of tiny houses. A shopping centre or a theatre. Or even all of these. The things that are around our home are called the neighbourhood. Here are some words we can use to describe our neighbourhoods. Neat, tidy, dirty, quiet, noisy, green, industrial, a building. Most of us want to see our yards tidy, roads in good condition, friendly neighbours, and beautiful dwellings. And of course, we all want to breathe fresh air. People who live in places like that are happy. Unfortunately, few people are lucky enough to live in such a place. Many of us want to make our neighbourhood beautiful and comfortable to live in. What can each of us do for that? Is there much litter in the streets? Do a clean-up with your friends. Are there no trees and flowers in the area? You might plant some trees and make a flower bed. Is there no place for playing sports? Ask your parents to help you with a sports ground to play football, volleyball, or basketball. There are some steps we can take to improve and clean up our neighbourhoods. Here are a few of them. Lead by example. The number one thing you can do to keep your neighbourhood clean is set a litter-free example for others. Give back. Become involved in a community clean-up or organise one yourself. Ride your bike. By riding your bike, you reduce air and water pollution in your neighbourhood and the region as well. Reuse. Reuse wrapping paper, gift bags, plastic containers, and anything else, as much as you can. Recycling is important, but reusing is even better and saves money too. Wherever we live, we should remember that this place is our home, and we should do our best to make it and keep it neat and tidy.